Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Akmal bin Muhammad Noor. Today I want to present our final project topic. It is about safety management. First, background studies. We know the construction is very important part in the economy of Malaysia. The industry is made many components include thousands of workers. So the complex and ascertain the nature of the construction project need an effective safety and risk management system. This study aimed to uncover strategy method to reduce safety issues and enhance safety risk management in the project in Malaysia. Second, we go to the problem statement. First, I know the complaint level of the construction management and it is capability with wiliness in developing and accepting safety and health causes to the employees. Second, inherent hazard and the nature of the job performed by the workers contribute to occupational injuries. There are three types of hazard which need to be recognized and controlled in all industry, especially the construction industry: chemical, physical, and biological. Next, we have two objectives of these studies. First, to identify factors and causes of accident. Second, to provide knowledge on the personal safety. The scope of this study is on the safety management in the construction site. This study will try to put safety management in construction project as one of the important elements to project performance and success.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I want to present my slide. So my slide is started from slide 6 to slide 10. So we're going to start with our first slide, which is slide 6 is about importance of the study. So importance of the study, this is due to increasing number of accident cases that involving workers at construction sites according to the Occupational Safety and Health AKKP Act 1994. So this study can help employers to be more aware of the safety and health aspect of the workforce. It also can serve as a reference to the employer in better implementing safety and health management for the workers. Okay, so next, slide number 7, which is about concept or theory about the study. Okay, so in the construction industry, the safety factor is something that is always taken care of to prevent injury to either the site worker or the person involved. With this care, unwanted things can be avoided. So unwanted things can be avoided, such as the accident or the injury to the workers. Okay, so the safety is defined as the protection of a site from hazardous material that can lead to the accident. Okay, so we move to the next slide, which is the past study. Okay, so the past study is about the statistic. Okay, so the statistic is about employment accident statistic by sector until December 2015. Okay, so the table that I provide right here is table 1 is accuracy by sector. Okay, so the study is made to see the total cases that happen at the construction site. So it divided to so many sector in the construction site at every country that in Malaysia. Okay, so and divided to the 3 sector, which is THUK, HUK, and death. Okay, now so we're going to move on to the next slide, which is the last slide. it is the past study. Okay, so as we look at this slide, okay, this is also I provide the table 2 and table 3. Okay, so so I'm gonna explain about this table 2 first. Okay, table 2 is about okay, so the table 2 and 3 is according to the sector, which is has two sector, which is THUK and HUK. So THUK, which is about the workers that does not lose their ability to do work, but HUK is to the workers that lose their ability to do work. Okay, so we're gonna start with to the workers does not lose their ability to do work, which is THUK. Alright, so THUK. Okay. First, in the manufacturing, is recorded total cases is 1,905. Okay, so next is mining and quarrying is 32 cases. Construction is 138. Okay, and agriculture, forestry, fishery is 440. Facilities is 86 cases. Mobility is 107 cases. Wholesale and retail trade is 102 cases. Hotel and restaurant is 62 cases. Financial insurance business is recorded as 105 cases, and public service as 31 cases. So the total cases here is 3,809.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Najiha binti Muhammad Fauzi. I want to talk about methodology. First point is research methodology. Research methodology is to be aware of the safety problems encountered in the construction site. Second, to study the predominant environment that involves safety management in the execution of various phases of a construction project. The last point, the objective of doing a field survey in this study is to validate the findings of the literature review. Go to the other point, research design. Okay, first, we have several steps in this project. First, we must investigate the problems, like identify issues and areas of study. Then, identify appropriate populations and sampling. The second step, we go through the literature review. We go to method of data collection, how we got the data to forth, the sample of that study. Then we go to data analytical method. Then we get the result. The last step, conclusion and recommendations. We go with the literature review first. The point, the research will be implemented by documentation research, like journals, book, internet, agency bulletins, project paper, and others. The second point, to get the general ideas and overviews regarding the scenario of safety management. In the literature review, we have the factors affecting of improper safety management, such as condition site, environment, weather. The second point, the attitude of construction safety management implemented by a construction company in Malaysia. Go to the other point, method of data collection. How we got the data, how we collect the data. Data collection is to gather all information regarding the safety management in construction site. Data collection is using qualitative research and observation which is concerned with testing the theory presented with the objective. We use 4 methods in collect the data. For method, the first method we use is pilot survey. The second one is library research. The third is interview. Then the last method by using questionnaires. Pilot survey is strategy used to test questionnaire using a smaller sample compared to the planned sample size. Pilot survey is to gain information to improve the efficiency of the main survey. The second method, we go to the library research. Library research is and more resources as well as additional information that can be made as input to complete the study. Third method, we go to the interview. Interview is obtaining data and information from the survey respondents, and we get good relationships with workers and will get information more valid and reliable. Questionnaire we use as a benchmark is over practical and effective as it can help reduce your expenses, time, energy for data collection. Then questionnaire is a simple way to get information. Simple way to get information. The last point is conclusion. In terms of methodology, the questionnaire does not provide actual result as compared to the direct observation. Besides, the respondents wanted to finish answering the questionnaire quickly. They are not showing real responsibility towards the answer. In addition, government should provide the Green Book training to the workers. Thus, this will enhance the capability of the company to control safety matters in the construction site. It is believed that the member of the project team had the awareness about safety management in construction project. However, improvements in many aspects need to be considered in order to ensure the effectiveness. Alright, thank you.